Lightning lit up the sky Saturday night as a series of thunderstorms slammed into New York City. The storms began moving into the metropolitan area not long after 7 p.m., marking a noticeable shift from the sunny afternoon and accompanying temperatures that reached 70 degrees. Fierce lightning exploded over the Manhattan skyline, followed shortly by a rumble of thunder. There were no immediate reports of damage in the city. A severe storm warning had been issued for virtually the entire tri-state area, including all 5 boroughs of New York City. Further south, the winds caused more problems across the state. Electricity was cut by the thousands and countless branches were destroyed, knocking out a few power lines. Officials are expected to inspect damage caused by a tornado.